You know that joy that comes with helping somebody achieve their goals. Yes. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Alafi's Corner, and today I'm going to be sharing 5 reasons with you why I decide to be an hairstylist, or a hairstylist rather, instead of going back to school. This is something I've never explained to anybody before, so I decided to share it with you guys today. So do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment and share. It helps somebody out there. So I'm going to be starting from the number 5th reason why I didn't go back to school and decide to be an hairstylist. Number 5 is love for beauty. Like making people look beautiful in their own special ways. I like making them look beautiful, and you know that feelings when you make somebody's hair and then somebody else's is the hair and say, oh, who make your hair for you? And you say, oh, it's Lalapi that makes this hair, and like that. Okay, I like that kind of compliment. So number 4 is passion for creativity. Number 3 is connecting with people. Like connect with your customers, connect with your clients. Yes, even I have some clients that we are more than clients, like more than customer. Yeah, knows me in and out. Yes, this kind of relationship with your clients. Yes, I like that kind of relationship, but that kind of relationship is not open to everybody. It's not something that you can easily open to everybody, because a lot of people out there might abuse that opportunity when you give them. Connect and like constant learning and growth. You need to learn more about your skills, more about like new things to improve your skills. Yes, I like those kind of things. The number 1, most of them impacting in somebody's life. You know that feelings that comes with when you help somebody to achieve their goals in life. Yes, people learn under me. Like I like teaching people new thing. Like I like teaching people my skills. The most important thing is to make money. Yes, as you are learning, as you are growing, as you love beauty so much, you can't do it for free. But there are some people you can do for free, but it's not everybody that you can do for free. So the most important thing is to also make a living out of what you love doing. Yes, I love hair so much, so I make sure I also make a living out of it. Like I also make some income from it. So help with these few reasons, you are able to know me a little bit. Yes, because I'm still going to be telling you more about myself. So I think we have come to the end of the video, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Please, if you have not subscribed, like, share, comment, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.